show you how to make the cheapest duck decoy that there is. This is a private pond, and what I want to do here at this pond is leave decoys in the pond, but people keep coming here and stealing the decoys if I leave them. So I want to put something out here that I don't really care about that much, that nobody's going to want to steal at all. So right here we have our decoy. This is a peroxide bottle. It's the right color. It's not painted, you know, it's actually black plastic, so it's not going to flake off paint or anything. And sometimes I'll even just leave the labels on there because that'll give them a little bit of color, because most ducks do have a little bit of white on them. I have taken old fishing line that I didn't need anymore and tied it to the decoy and to our bottle here, and I'd usually do like 3 strands because I want it to last a long time, and that fishing line will, you know, go bad eventually. All right, I like to take just a glass bottle. We're not in Canada, so these glass bottles is basically trash. They're not worth anything, and I like to take a bottle that has a little loop in it or handle, if possible, because that gives me something to tie to. I know it'll stay tied on there. So I take the bottle and I put a little bit of dirt or sand in the bottom, and then I fill the rest up with water. You unwind it and chunk it, and the bottle will sink to the bottom, and you'll have your nice decoy out there. The fishing line will settle down, and if you get a good wind and stuff, they're light, so they get a good movement to them in the wind. You know, they can't be tumped over either, so whichever side they're on, you know, it's still going to look presentable. Now, they ain't going to be the best in the world, but for something you just want to leave, you know, leave somewhere on private property, you know, to get some ducks coming in, you'll want to use your real decoys, your nice decoys when you're actually hunting, but when you're, you know, just getting some stuff out there, so maybe some ducks can see it and start coming into your holes, this is not a bad option, and it's pretty much free.